Thanks for your patience. We are here. It's Whatcha Wearin Wednesday. We got a new piece of equipment. It didn't want to cooperate with us today, so it took us a little longer to get live.
It came from the North Pole.
It did, yes. So I'm Donna from She's Got Legs.
I'm Diane.
And we are here to do a little bit of gifting with you today for Whatcha Wearin Wednesday. So we've come up with a bunch of different gift ideas, and we've sorted them through. We're going to just run through them.
Okay.
So give us a little thumbs up if you have started your Christmas shopping already. And kudos to you. I don't think I have. No, I did. So I can give a thumbs up.
I love shopping all year long.
Yeah.
Is it Christmas every day?
I think so. For me, it is.
Me too.
So our first little bundle today is our Be Your Own Kind of Beautiful bundle. So we have in it one of our insulated wine mugs or coffee, tea, whatever you want to put in it. One of our Be Your Own Kind of Beautiful bath bombs. One of our Be Your Own Kind of Beautiful mirrors. That is great to stick in your purse. It has a positive message. Hey there, gorgeous. And
our beautiful leggings.
Yes.
With all of our inspirational quotes and all good things that we are. We're beautiful, we're energetic, we're daring, we're confident, we're clever.
Yes.
We're fighters.
We're
passionate.
We totally are.
Totally capable and respected.
Unstoppable.
Yes.
Hello. Powerful gift here. So this gift totals to $70. So it's a great gift for someone. Make them feel special. And we also have, let's show them how this works. We have our little easy wrap gift bundle. This might be noisy as I unwrap it. It comes with a piece of tissue, a gift bag here, and it has a tag on it. That might be the noisy part. So we can put all the stuff in here. Easy peasy, all fits. Tissue goes in and boom, it looks like this. Voila. Beautiful, beautiful gift, easy to do. I think they're $3.50 on the site. I'm sorry, I can't remember the price of them, but they're really affordable.
They're cute.
And you just buy your gift, put it with it, you're done. That's a nice one. Okay, our next category is our $10 and under.
Yep.
What's in our $10 and under bin?
So we've got our beautiful bath bomb.
Bath bombs are $8.50.
We have our
headbands and scrunchies.
We've got some fancy ones.
So our headbands are $7, and our scrunchies are $4.50.
And then
we also have our Hot Legs ones. The Hot Legs headband is $12, so you're a little bit more, but it's a really luxurious
Santa.
Santa
Malfunction.
Giving you a nudge there. Then we have our Be Your Own Kind of Beautiful mirror again. So that's $6.50. So those are some great little gifts. So again, you could do. Like just a couple bucks more and get that, or you could get, right here, a buff or a bandana. We have our bandanas and our buffs for $12. So you could tie them however you want, around your neck, around your face, around your hair. Oh, my ears got
around your pet.
Yes, around your pet, around your hubby. And those buffs are great for...
They're COVID friendly, they're winter friendly.
Yep, skiing, snowboarding. I did actually see a little girl with a picture of one of these tied around like a halter top. You would have to be little for that. But it was super cute. Okay, so our under 30 category. We have all of our Be Your Own Kind of Beautiful insulated drinkware. So we have water bottles, we have our coffee, tea, water container, and then we have, it's shaped like a beer mug or a coffee mug, great for all different types of traveling.
Beverages,
yes. And who knows what's in those? Only you know what's in those. What else do we have? We have Leggings Combos for under 30. So you could do a kid's legging and a headband. And that's going to get you under 30. We can do an adult legging and a scrunchie, and that's going to get you under 30.
And aren't these going to make the cutest photos?
They are totally.
The matching leggings.
We have different patterns. We have our ribbon candy, which was the first one we showed, our happy holidays.
Look how cute the little kids are.
And then we have our midnight tartan, which are sexy, gorgeous fun there.
Yes.
$30 also gets you some of our necklace line. This is a fun one called Cinderella. And
that was very popular.
I would bring it up, but I'm behind, I'm behind the workshop here. And I don't have, not prepared. Here. Oh, I can hang it on the black. That'll show up nice there.
This one's a very special one.
But okay, we can pop that against my green. That's a beautiful one.
Indulgence.
Indulgence. So those make great little gifts for mom, grandma, aunties, all those. Okay, what else? The next category is our under 40. And I think that's on your side there, Diane. Under 40. We have some opportunities to buy some stuff for men. These are a couple, this is our Oxford scarf, and it's a reversible scarf. And it's blues and reds and creams. Makes a gorgeous non-gender scarf.
Goes great with denim or black.
Yes.
Or red.
Yes.
It's got all the pretty colors.
It does. And what one do you have?
Evening stroll.
So these would be great gifts for dads and grandpas. They're nice. Nice scarf.
This got a little bit of the blue in it too.
Yes, it does. So it goes nice with your denim.
Yeah.
Mrs. Claus.
Yes.
We also have some of our other scarves, more for the women in your life.
This one's so festive. Good tidings. It's so pretty, especially for the holidays.
Yes.
You could wear
it as a table runner.
Table runner.
You could wrap a nice bottle of wine in that. That makes a lovely
It's
hostess
so pretty. It's got all the colors.
Yes, it does. Beautiful. We also have our Merlot, which this makes me think of Mardi Gras. And Mardi Gras is just around the corner, but I love the purple and gold in it.
This color looks good on everybody.
Yes. Beautiful. What else? What else is in our under 40? What else
We
got?
have our fuzzy ponchos.
So these are $5 more. For $45, you can get super cool ponchos. I have them hanging. So this is, you have it in the white, our Jungle Fever, and you have it in the white. So that's a fun little poncho to put on.
Just to keep you warm, but it also is super airy and it's not too heavy.
Yeah.
So it's great.
Great for holiday going around. Or we have just our solid colors. We have, this one has a hood. Our Fozzie poncho, super
Wouldn't
fun.
that be it's so cute at the Christmas market?
Yes, I love that.
Yeah.
Okay, next up, we have Grandma in the house. Oh, I got grandmas. So first, wrong way. That's our cheat sheet you got to see. So first up, we have some Grandma and Me outfits.
Yeah, so this one is, hey Glenn.
Hey, Glenn.
So Grandma's gonna look great in these, and so is her adorable little granddaughter.
Yep. And then we have headbands and scrunchies that match. So Grandma can wear the headband and the little one can wear the...
And that's gonna be the cutest photo by the tree.
Oh, it totally will be. What else? Okay, I thought we had another one, but maybe not. Okay, so now we have a Grandma outfit that we have our Nordic Breeze leggings with a navy t-shirt and an ocean's blue scarf.
I love this scarf.
So it's gonna look so fabulous together and also looks fabulous with the denim boyfriend.
Yep.
So that's a great look Grandma would love.
There it is.
There it is. This is our other little Grandma and Me outfit. Our Peppermint Bliss, which is super cute and cozy. Those are great memories right there happening. Great photo memories.
Does anybody else like those Hallmark movies?
Oh, yes.
My
just love
favorite.
something about them. It doesn't matter who the characters, the plot's always the same.
I know, but they're always wearing matchy outfits, and it's so festive. And then they put the photo on the mantle, and it's very heartwarming.
So where are you joining us from today? That's what we want to know.
We've got lots. We've got Stainer,
Hello, Stainer.
Ajax,
Almont.
and Hi from Down the Hall.
Hello. Aw.
Hi, River, Alberta.
Hey, Alberta.
Halifax.
Hello, Halifax. That's coast to coast.
Paris.
Paris, do we have anybody from BC? We're sending you our love. We know you're going through
Yes.
some rough times right now.
Big hugs.
Ontario, Windsor, Ontario.
Hello, Windsor.
Palm Bay, Florida.
Hey, hello.
Ooh, lucky you.
And Thunder Bay.
Thunder Bay, Palm Bay, Thunder Bay.
Oh, Cheryl Karen says Hallmark, yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
I love Hallmark. These are all Hallmark outfits.
Yes.
We have Bowmanville, Burnaby, Nova Scotia,
Awesome. Thanks for joining us today.
White Rock, BC.
White Rock. Everybody okay out there in White Rock? Burnaby?
We have Waterloo. Kathleen sending love to BC.
Let's get some
Aw.
hearts going. Send out those hearts for BC.
Sault Ste. Marie and Martintown, Ontario.
All right. Martintown, that's a new one. I haven't heard
is.
that one before.
Kirkland Lake.
Kirkland Lake, hello. Okay, but one more outfit for Grandma. Well, there's lots of outfits for Grandma, but these are just ones that we came up with.
Yes.
We could be here all day. So we have our Kiera sweater with our enchanted leggings.
And our beautiful harmony necklace. Who doesn't want a little harmony over the holidays?
Everybody. Oh, awesome. So we're just having little elves over here doing all our shopping. And yes, these will fit into that gift bag. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. And last but definitely not least,
We save the best to last.
yes. Hello, Mom. We got you covered. Now, you might want to be making a list here, kiddos, because we got some good things here for Mom.
Yeah, these are a few of our favorites.
Attention. Pay close attention. Okay, first up is a super sleek and sexy outfit. We have our Danger Zone leggings and our gray. This one is a short sleeve t-shirt, but it's also available in a 3/4. And we have on a Vera vest.
Yes. These vests are super cozy and really warm.
And a little bit of a puzzle to get into.
No.
So that's the super looking outfit there. Mom's gonna look fantastic.
She's going to be hip. She's just going to get hipper.
Hipper, yeah. Because she already is hip. Hip
This
mom and
is Donna's favorite shirt.
it is Jungle Fever. This is our Jungle Fever top, and we paired it with our
Fuzzy.
fuzzy leggings.
Which are so soft and cozy. This is definitely a market outfit.
It is,
Go to the
yes.
Christmas market.
It's got the velour on the inside that is super soft. Now they do not fit as snug as our regular leggings because they're a different build to them. They have our leggings material, so it gives them the stretch, and the fuzzy on the inside, so it's a more structured fit, almost between a legging and a pant. So,
Yeah.
but
And then you've got the cape there.
yes, and we have the cape that would complete that outfit.
This cape is so fuzzy.
And this is our Vera cape.
Yeah.
Okay, really. Oh,
And it comes with a hood. So if it's snowing, how
Yeah.
cute will that be?
for Christmas mass, I think that cape is just going to be fantastic. I hope you can't see the mess I created on the side. Okay, what's up next?
Oh, blue velvet leggings.
It's what you have on. It's her outfit she
I
has on.
don't know if you can see them, but yeah, I'm wearing.
I'll lift you up.
Yeah, they're my favorite,
And she has on the denim blouse with it,
which is so versatile and goes with everything.
with the blue velvet.
Yeah.
And then you could,
I should have done that stretching class, but yeah.
we elves are tired, you know. So you pair a necklace with it, as Diane has done. So,
Key to my heart.
yep. And this one's Unlock My Heart. That says a great message to Mom. Hello,
Yes.
Mom, I love you.
Yes.
With our denim, you could even do black leggings and a black top and wear the shirt open like Diane's wearing,
Yeah.
sort of as a jacket. And that's a great look too.
Can wear it anywhere.
So that's a nice, fun outfit.
Then
What
we've got
else?
the fun stuff.
Yes. We've got based on, we're starting with our Tomatillo hoodie, which is what I'm wearing, one of my
Yes.
favorites.
Which is your favorite? Yep.
Yep, it is super bright and fun. So we have for the holidays,
The gnome leggings,
yes,
which we all love.
yes. Or
The whole family loves them.
you could pair it with the
Party time.
dance party leggings. Both have the hits of green in it. And if you're buying for mom, I would buy her both. I would recommend you just buy them both. Then you will be the favorite child. Yes.
Not that you aren't already.
It's an open spot in our house.
Is it?
Yeah.
We try to keep everybody the favorite. We don't like to do that.
Oh, well, this is a rotating spot. You gotta earn it. Buying your mom leggings, that's gonna earn you the favorite child. I'm just saying. So thank you for joining us. We've loved sort of doing some shopping with you and coming up with some ideas.
Happy shopping.
Yes, enjoy.